I hope you guys understand how the Flint water crisis has affected the economy. Now that we are done learning, we're going to play a little game called Jeopardy! I'm sure we have all played this game at some point in our lives, but here's a little recap of the rules. Play individually or in a group. Unfortunately, you guys will have to play alone. You're going to pick a category from our past, present, or future, and the point values between 100 and 500. Click on the chosen box for the question. Students must give the answer in a question form before clicking again. Once you answer the question, click on the Back to Board button on the slide to return to the main board. It's that little house at the bottom that will bring you back to the questions. If the student or team is correct, they are awarded the point value of the question. Continue till all questions have been answered. The team with the most points win. Good luck and have fun!